Hi guys, I bought this Emerald strut kit for auto boot opening. I've already done one side and I'm halfway through doing another. There's these little metal clips that are on each end here. You just take them off with a flathead screwdriver. Here I've already taken one off early. You literally just unclip it and you just pop it off. Simple as. The new one. As you can see here, there's like a little clip that you have to take off. I'm not used to this type of stuff, but I can still make you moan. Anytime that you want, I can lay that. You wait on the day that I say that I love you too, but I just can't. I'll make sure to take off the parcel clip, or you won't be able to access the bottom one. Make sure to do it on both sides. I know that you hate those lyrics. I don't believe in love, but that doesn't mean I don't take you serious. The spring-loaded area is on the top end. These take a little bit more pressure to put them in. Yep, last one. You'll hear it clicking. Both sides. And then all you do is put these clips straight back in. So there's this little hole on the side. Little hole here. Where they go. After you've put it through, just press. Then you do the same to the bottom. بفكر فيك تبعدني تنساني محتاجك جنبي تدعاني نسيني جروحي واحزاني انا مشتاق لعليك يا حبيبي لا تروحي بعيد انت نصيبي وقلبي وحيد انت اللي في قلبي والله انت اللي في قلبي يا